I got it on. No. All right, guys. So we are going to do a video, and it's gonna be a little short montage of how I get my quarterback's attention, and he'll flip the camera to himself. So that's my quarterback right there, Sod Hall. Here's the ball we're gonna be using, and let's get started. I don't know how long this video is gonna take.
Oh, yeah. How are you getting my attention? What are you doing? I don't. What?
Sound.
244. Hey. Nice.
That makes that money, dude. Damn it. Crap. That makes that money, dude. That makes that money, dude.
There's going to be a lot of videos of me catching the football.
Le gras. Grrr.
At any point in time. Oh! You say, GoPro, stop recording.